हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल जीके अपडेट विद उन्नति। अगर आप चैनल में न्यू हैं तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें, वीडियो को लाइक एंड शेयर करें एंड नोटिफिकेशन बेल ऑन कर लें जिससे कि आपको हमारे न्यू वीडियो की अपडेट मिलती रहे। तो आज के वीडियो में हम 30 जुलाई 2025 के टॉप 25 इम्पॉर्टेंट करंट अफेयर एमसीक्यूज गो थ्रू करेंगे जो कि आपके अपकमिंग एग्जाम्स के लिए इम्पॉर्टेंट है। वीडियो के लास्ट में प्रीवियस डे के करंट अफेयर्स के क्वेश्चंस रहते हैं जिनके आंसर्स आपको कमेंट करके बताने होते हैं। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन। वेयर इज द 14th एडिशन ऑफ इंडिया सिंगापुर जॉइंट मिलिट्री एक्सरसाइज बोल्ड कुरुक्षेत्र 2025 being held? And the answer is Jodhpur. Second question. What is the name of the new Special Forces unit announced by the Army Chief on Kargil Vijay Divas 2025? And the answer is Bhairav Light Commando Battalion. Third question. Where did Defense Minister Rajnath Singh pay tribute on the 26th Kargil Vijay Divas? And the answer is National War Memorial, New Delhi. Fourth question. When was the Central Reserve Police Force CRPF originally established? And the answer is 27 July 1939. Fifth question. Who is the author of the book titled The Conscience Network, Chronicle of Resistance to a Dictatorship? And the answer is Sugata Srinivas Raju. Sixth question. On which of the following days is World Day Against Human Trafficking observed? And the answer is 30th July. Seventh question. Ramona Pereira is related to which classical dance who recently created a world record by performing continuously for 170 hours? And the answer is Bharatnatyam. Eighth question. Which country has unveiled the world's most powerful non-nuclear bomb called Gazep? And the answer is Turkey. Ninth question. India's first Hindi medium MBBS college will be built in which of the following cities? And the answer is Jabalpur. 10th question. Recently, MasterCard has collaborated with whom to promote tourism? And the answer is Andhra Pradesh. 11th question. Which position has India achieved in the recently held World University Games 2025? And the answer is 20th position. 12th question. In which state the book title Sustainable Well-Being of Students, A Collective Responsibility in Higher Education was released towards promoting student welfare and mental health? And the answer is Uttarakhand. 13th question. Recently, who launched Gyan Bharatam mission to digitize ancient manuscript? And the answer is Narendra Modi. 14th question. Who has won the Under 15 Girls Single title in the recently held Asian Youth Table Tennis Championship? And the answer is Divyanshi Bhaumik. 15th question. Recently, which of the following has been ranked third globally in terms of tiger density? And the answer is Kaziranga Tiger Reserve. 16th question. India won how many medals at 32nd FISU World University Games 2025 Germany? And the answer is 12. 17th question. Which city hosts the first ever Armed Forces National Conference shaped 2025 Sustainable Hospital Architecture, Planning, Infrastructure and Equipment on July 26 to 27, 2025? And the answer is New Delhi. 18th question. Which space agency set to launch 3 more navigation satellites NVS-03, NVS-04 and NVS-05 by 2026? And the answer is ISRO. ISRO का full form है Indian Space Research Organization. 19th question. Who has been recognized as the world's most popular democratic leader? And the answer is Narendra Modi. 20th question. Which country launched the Nahi 2 satellite with Russia amid strengthening space ties? And the answer is Iran. 21st question. Who became the first batter ever to hit 400 in his debut test series as captain? And the answer is Shubham Gill. 22nd question. What is the name of the agreement that was signed between Thailand and Cambodia in July 2025? And the answer is Truce Agreement. 23rd question. Where was Maharashtra's first glass bridge being inaugurated? And the answer is Sindhudurg. 24th question. Where has the Gathe Mangal Utsav been celebrated with great fanfare recently? And the answer is Nepal. And the last 25th question. India has been elected as the President of the Council of Administration of the International Institute of Administrative Sciences for which period? And the answer is 2025 to 2028. तो ये थे 30 जुलाई 2025 के टॉप 25 इम्पॉर्टेंट करंट अफेयर MCQs और अब आते हैं क्वेश्चंस ऑफ द डे पे। तो आज के क्वेश्चंस ऑफ द डे का पहला क्वेश्चन, Which country has conducted drone Prahar exercise to test and validate the integration of drone technologies in the battlefield? Second question, who has recently launched Veer Parivar Sahayata Yojana to provide comprehensive legal aid to defense personnel and their families? Third question, what target has Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India set for insurers under its rural insurance expansion plan by financial year 2026-27? Fourth question, a global initiative called Global Specs 2030 for affordable eye care has been launched by whom? And the last fifth question, which country has set up the COP33 cell to host the United Nations Climate Summit in 2028? तो इन पांचों क्वेश्चंस के आंसर्स आपको कमेंट करके बताने हैं।